hope things are great with you. So I'm going to talk to you about what are the 5 amazing things that you'd have when Mercury is well positioned in the ninth house. Now, of course, it's important to understand that Mercury should not be afflicted whatsoever, and the ninth house should not be tempered with any malefic influence. Okay, you need to affirm that. Now, if you do, then I can say for sure that these are the top 5 amazing things that you'd have. Number one is genius level IQ. Nothing short. For you, learning is a piece of cake. Give anything that you can learn. There's no problem. You don't need to go through the slow pace learning. For you is because your mind is craving to learn. When you're really into something, when you really have the need to do something, everything just falls into places, isn't it? Right? And same goes to learning. If you have the need to learn something, you tell yourself, yes, I would like to know this, right? Doesn't matter what happens, but I want to know this, then nothing is going to stop you. So Mercury in the ninth gives that ability to grasp things in a very fast and a very analytical way, very logical thinking. They don't waste time. They're very efficient in gaining knowledge. So genius level IQ, that's number one. Number two is you gravitate towards old folks, people who are aged and advanced in life. Why? Is because, I mean, if you have Mercury well placed in the ninth house, you are always curious about the mechanics of life. How does life work? You're always craving for that detail or information. So, and your assumption is that people who have aged and advanced in life has gone through the trials and tribulations of life, right? And they have that knowledge with them. So your heart is always towards them. You spend your time with the old folks home, and some of my clients, right, who have even adopted parents as parents, in these people who have, when children have neglected their parents, and left alone in these shelter homes. Some of my clients who have even adopted them. So that's how far their love is towards these old people. Okay, that's number two. Number three is highly adaptable, highly dynamic in life. Because the ninth is house of higher learning. Of course, the eighth, we understood that the house of active karma, things that we'll go through in our life. And the learnings which folds over to the ninth house. So your idea about life is always one step ahead than the other guy, right? You have a good understanding on what are the things that can happen in life, right? So your mind is always gravitating towards it. So which means you're adaptable. You're adaptable, and you can find ways to solve problems in a very short and a quick and a most efficient way, right? Adaptable. And I said earlier that you're always one step ahead than the other person. Doesn't matter whatever that you do. It can be at your office, it can be in your college, it can be in your family. It doesn't matter. You're always the one that is, the one who knows all, the one who does not make any mistakes, or rarely makes any mistakes. So there's another great quality that Mercury in the ninth has. Okay. Number four is that you are a religious person. Okay, there is a little bit about Mercury in the ninth about religion, because, well, almost all of my clients, they are very religious, but they may not have bhakti or devotion. That's a different thing. But they are highly interested in knowing what religion is, and different types of religion and all that, spiritual and all. They're very, very connected, but they may not have that bhakti into it. But the amazing thing is that highly knowledgeable in religious matters. You ask them anything about it, they will know. Right? They're very, very connected. They're very even obsessed, obsessed about knowing religions as a whole. Okay. The last, certainly not the least, is vigilance and being cautious about things. When you talk to them, it's very interesting. First of all, they have this great sense of humor. It's very captivating, these Mercury in the nine people. And they are very cautious and vigilant. It's like playing a game of chess. Okay, you have to think ahead on what are the moves that the opponent's going to make, right? And these people are like that. In a conversation, you tend to see that they have certain level of engagement. You're very, very engaged. He's a very good listener. And if you talk to them once, you feel very connected. You gravitate towards them, because they know what you are thinking. They know what you're trying to say. Some people will just say for just casual, but not these people. Mercury in the ninth gives this ability for them to sift through, to filter out what the other person is trying to say. So it's very engaging, it's very nice, it's very fun, it's very exciting to talk to people who have Mercury in the ninth. Okay, so that's about it. The top five amazing things that you'd have when Mercury is well positioned in the ninth house. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the 10th house. Namaste.